Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about a penny stock that you guys should keep on your watch list. Before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where like-minded people can talk about stocks, whether that is penny stocks, growth stocks, dividend stocks, cryptocurrencies, and options. I will also be sharing my trades on there as well. I'm very active, and it's always better trading the same stocks as a community. So if you guys are down on a stock, I'll be down as well, and vice versa. If we're up together. And it's only 33 cents a day to join the Patreon Discord. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check out my link down below. InnerScope Hearing Tech, ticker symbol is INND. This stock was recommended to me by a Patreon member, and he told me about it, and I looked into it, and I decided to get in because I can see this company possibly going to $1. It's a long-term hold. So $1, we can probably see it by the end of 2022. Let's take a look at the 6 months daily chart here. So we can see that it was picking up a lot of volume back in January, and it hit a high of 0.098 before coming back down. And we are just consolidating in this range of 0.02 and then 0.03. So we are trading in this range for about 2 weeks now. And then there was news that came out. On March 16th, they announced the launch of its Here IQ app in 172 countries in the App Store for iOS devices and Google Play Store for Android devices. The Here IQ app is a multifunctional app which offers to the general public a free self-administered hearing test to determine hearing loss. The CEO of InnerScope, he stated launching the Here IQ app for the Apple and Android devices was the next step in InnerScope's planned rollout of offering free access to hearing tests as well as easy and convenient access to high-quality, affordable hearing aids. We are excited about the Here IQ app's launch in 172 countries. We believe InnerScope can provide the world with instant access to monitor and access their hearing needs through their communication devices. And then on March 10th, they announced that it has signed a joint collaboration and reseller agreement with GTX Corporation. Under the agreement, GTX will have a non-exclusive reseller license to offer for sale InnerScope's hearing aid devices and related hearing products and services through gtxcorporation.com. This is what the CEO had to say about this. Partnering with GTX opens up new domestic and international market opportunities for InnerScope. We are looking forward to collaborating with GTX on various projects and securing new B2B and B2C distribution channels for both government and private sectors. Back early March, they announced that it has completed and updated the FDA medical device registration for Class 2 hearing aid. The completion of the FDA medical device registration for InnerScope's Nexus HD, its newest family of rechargeable hearing aid devices, and as well as its Alpha series of hearing aid devices. The FDA medical device registration is one of the last steps needed for InnerScope to launch its latest and direct-to-consumer hearing aid technology with its smartphone app controls self-fitting, self-adjusting, rechargeable hearing aids with built-in professional remote programming and support service. So they plan on launching its self-fitting hearing aids on multiple platforms with the upcoming announcements of several retailers and on its own newly revamped website. So this is a very positive catalyst. So let's take a look at some other news that happened this year. So this was on February 19th. They announced it has engaged Digimax Global Solutions to raise $15 million in private placement offerings for its current growth and to retire most, if not all, of its remaining convertible debts. InnerScope has been in talks with its noteholders to negotiate payoff terms for its remaining convertible debt, and at time of payoff, InnerScope expects shareholder value to quickly increase. So InnerScope Hearing Technologies is a manufacturer and direct-to-consumer distributor of self-fitting FDA-registered hearing aids. So the products are FDA approved. The private placement will finance InnerScope's plan for a national rollout of 1,000 plus point of sale hearing screening retail kiosks locations, as well as fulfilling its current orders of 200 plus locations of its hearing kiosk and hearing product portfolio. If we take a look at their Twitter accounts, in their description, they have OTC InnerScope Hearing Tech disrupting $10 billion hearing industry to help 60 million plus in North America while self-fitting DTC hearing aids, vitamins, and CBD oil. They launched a YouTube channel introducing CEO Matthew Moore. We'll take a quick look at that in a bit. And then February 20th, they announced this. Main kiosks are being built in Wisconsin and shipped directly to retailers from the manufacturer. Another kiosk version designed by the retailer's request is coming from China and will arrive in Long Beach Harbor next week. So this is the product. On February 19th, they tweeted, IND wants to acknowledge and address the concerns of shareholders. IND is working with current investors to minimize that dilution and accelerate over the next few months. We estimate less than 10% of the current OS will be issued, and IND will be debt-free from current investors. So those are all positive news. Let's check out this video.
I live it, I breathe it, it's in my blood. And I cannot imagine doing anything else, to be honest. I mean, I love golfing. I love, I love hanging out with my two young kids. But the passion is really helping the hearing impaired. And it's a great business. It's a great business out of it. But really the passion is helping the hearing impaired with technology at price points that is much more acceptable on a mass level.
Gotcha. So you were forged in the flames of your family's passion, grew up in the industry, and you hit the ground running pretty much when you became an adult. Then that's great to hear.
Yeah, no, it's definitely been one of those. And the funny thing is, I'm one of the only third generation in my family that is in hearing aids. The all my other family, they want to be in fashion, they want to be in IT, they want to be in tech, but hearing aids, they're like, what? I'm like, hey, hearing aids is a great business with a virtually untapped emerging market. I mean, think about it. What other industry is out there that you have in North America 60 million people that need hearing devices and less than 8 million currently have them? That's wow. 52 million people in North America alone that need devices and aren't getting it. I mean, that's a virtually untapped emerging market. What other industry has that? Nothing else has that out there. So from a business perspective, it is a phenomenal opportunity for us. And I mean, again, the passion is to help people, but then also you have to make business out of it. So we have that mixture of helping these individuals, because you think about it, if a person is not hearing well, they're isolating themselves. They're not socializing with family. They're not having the most I mean, you have to think about the last 10 or 15 years of a person's life is the most precious. And then that is where the people really have to enjoy family. And so that is where, if a person is going without hearing loss or going without hearing and they're hearing impaired, I mean, they're missing out their grandkids, maybe great grandkids. I mean, those are the times that InnerScope, my family, want to bring back to these 52 million people that need devices and aren't getting it. And that is, again, our passion, my family's passion, and our mission to do that.
You can see there that the CEO, Matthew Moore, is very passionate about what he does. This company is still in its early stages, and right now we can see that it's starting to reverse up and that there's a lot of volume. So definitely keep this on your watch list. And like I said, I do have a price target of $1. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. Also, do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates and the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.